Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set Slack for Android so that you never miss any notifications. Now, forewarning, if you're somebody that doesn't like constantly getting notifications, this might not be for you, because I know for some people when you get notifications over and over and over and over and over again, it gets really annoying. But for someone like myself, I find when I don't have all those notifications going to my phone, I end up missing things and it gets really annoying in that regard. So if you're like me and you'd like to get all of your Slack notifications on your phone, I'm going to show you guys how to set it up to do that, because Slack is not automatically set up for this. Scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, go to Slack, and as soon as you go to Slack, you're going to click on your picture in the top right hand corner. Once you do that, go to Notifications. The first thing you're going to do is turn on mobile notifications under How to Notify You. To turn it on, flip the switch to the right. Next, under What to Notify You About, it says Let You Know About Mentions and Direct Messages. So you're going to click on that, and you want to change it from Mentions and Direct Messages to Everything. To change it, simply click in the circle to the right of Everything. Now click the back arrow. Now, the next thing you're going to do, this is only if you want to receive notifications every day of the week instead of just Monday to Friday, because in Slack it's automatically set from 9 to 5 Monday to Friday, but you can change it. To change it so that you get notifications 7 days a week at all hours of the day, scroll down, and under Notification Schedule, it says allow notifications and it's set to weekdays. So we're going to change that. To change it, click on it. It says allow notifications weekdays. You won't receive notifications on Saturday or Sunday. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to change it to every day. To do that, simply click in the circle to the right of every day. And then click Save. Now we're going to change the start time from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. To do that, click on it, and then simply change it to 12. And then click OK. Next, we're going to change the end time from 5 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. So you're going to click on it, go to 11, make sure it's on p.m., and then set it to 59. There we go, and click OK. Now you can go back. Now before I go any further with this video, I'm going to check one more thing, and that is under Sound and Appearance. It says System Settings, choose Sound, Vibrations, and Importance. So I'm going to click on that. You want to make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on, so the switch should be flipped to the right and it should be blue. And you want to make sure that Alert is also turned on and not silent. Now go back, and back again. And that is how you set Slack for Android so that you never miss any notifications. Now, if you don't know what Slack is, it's an app that's generally used by businesses and people use it for work to do collaborations and stuff like that. It just makes it a lot easier than having to email people you work with and whatnot. It puts everything in one place. It's a pretty neat app. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.